All right, so here we go on another fun-filled and exciting lab day. Got my safety goggles, sunglasses because magnesium is bright when it burns, baby gloves over there. I've got a window open for ventilation. I had a fan on when I started doing this, but it's making the flame blow around so much that I'm not actually able to light anything. As you can probably hear, I've got my tap water running over there for washing these things. So let's get going. Here's my little piece of magnesium. Oh, there we go. Tiniest little bit of bright white light from that one tiny piece of magnesium. Go wash these off. Now they're nice and cool and ready for our zinc burning experience. Huge pieces of zinc in here, so this might be interesting. There it is right there. I don't know what y'all experienced when y'all, would you look at that? It melted and fell apart. Looks like it became very brittle. Even liquid. Let's see if we can replicate that. Flake starting to form in with the rest of the mass, and tweezers just kind of like cut through it like scissors. So yeah, I'd say that it becomes, I don't know what you'd call that, destabilized maybe. It's like almost liquid but not quite. Gonna wash those off for the rest of it. So now we're moving along to our spatula, our nice clean spatula here. First up, we're going to use the copper carbonate. Harmful if swallowed, so make sure you don't eat it. A little spatula in here. About that much on there. Into the flames. Instantly turn black. Maybe brown. Oh, yeah, and hard, or maybe that's a piece of zinc. But yeah, instantly turned black. Last, oh, gotta wash this. And as you may be able to see, I think it's burning that and creating a green flame, which is pretty cool. I didn't know that was going to happen. So, drying the spatula off real quick. And I think I'm going to go ahead and use these tweezers to remove any of the debris so I can definitively state where, actually, let's do this. Put our fire out. Get rid of any debris that's in there that could be causing that cool color. Reignite the flame. And it looks like it's not doing it anymore, so whatever we get out of this one will be exclusively 100% certain, purely because of the copper nitrate. So a little bit of copper nitrate on there, little blue crystals going into the fire, instantly melt, and you see that cool green flame coming off of it is, I'm certain, because of the copper, which is why I got the same green flame in a smaller capacity on the other one. So nothing dropped off of this. I'm going to wash it off real quick and repeat this one just to make sure that that green flame was in fact because of the copper carbonate as well. Alright, so this has been washed and it's cool enough to touch now. I'm going to go ahead and use the other end of the spatula though, because this one got pretty blackened on that second one. So here we are with the copper carbonate again. Using the flat side of the spatula. Get a little bit of copper carbonate. Half a pea size as the instructions call for. Sticking it in. And there we have it. Pale green flame, blue green flame. The copper carbonate instantly turned black, but the flame itself is a very cool color. But that's it. Fire out, safety first. Cool, clean spatula.